Hey everybody, Jerry Kennedy here with today's devotion. Today we're going to play a game called Find the Hidden Word. Now, we have cleverly hidden a word, a secret word, all throughout this presentation. Put on your thinking cap, use your sleuth skills, and see if you can uncover our subtle clues and figure out what today's secret word is.
An awesome character building practice you should actively incorporate in your daily activity is action. An idea not coupled with action will never get any bigger than the brain cell it occupied. The most practical, beautiful, workable philosophy won't work if you won't. Do you want to know who you are? Don't ask, act. Action will delineate and define you. Action is a practical and necessary ingredient of your life, even if your actions are sometimes wrong. Now, don't react negatively at this point. Consider the following quotes. It is even better to act quickly and err than to hesitate until the time of action is past. The fact is that good decisions come from experience, and experience comes from bad decisions. Conditions are never just right. People who delay action until all factors are favorable are the kind who do nothing. A peacefulness follows any decision, even the wrong one. It is a fact that inaction is detrimental to your life. In the same way, faith by itself, if it is not accompanied by action, is dead. The price of inaction is far greater than the cost of making a mistake. There are risks and costs to a program of action, but they are far less than the long-range risks and costs of comfortable inaction. So, how do we act when life isn't fair? Here's some good advice. Be on the alert. Stand firm in the faith. Act like men. Be strong. What happens is not as important as how you react to what happens. Here's one of my all-time favorite quotes by Teddy Roosevelt. It is not the critic that counts, not the man who points out how the strong man stumbles or where the doer of deeds could have done better. The credit belongs to the man who is actually in the arena, whose face is marred by dust and sweat and blood, who strives valiantly, who errs and comes short again and again because there is no effort without error and shortcoming, who knows the great enthusiasms, the great devotions, who spends himself in a worthy cause, who at best knows in the end the triumph of high achievement, and at worst, if he fails, at least fails while daring greatly, so that his place shall never be with those cold and timid souls who know neither victory nor defeat. So, did you figure out the magic word? Act. Okay, so maybe the clues weren't so subtle. Just trying to make sure that you get the point. Act as if what you do makes a difference. It does.